Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get free moving wallpapers on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you want to get free moving or live wallpapers, so let's see how can you do that. So you have two different ways for doing that. So very first way is that you have to try to click a live photo and then you can use it as your own live wallpaper. Or the second way is you have to go to App Store, search for live wallpaper, and you will get a lot of apps providing you live wallpapers. So let's try the first. Open your camera, select tap on three dots here, select live photo, and try to click a live photo as I have already a live photo here. So you just have to tap on this share option, then select use as wallpaper, and it will be set it on your own wallpaper. Or the second way, you have to open your app store, go for search for live wallpaper, and you'll get a lot of apps. You just have to select any one which you like, so you can use that. So, for example, I'm going to select, let's say this one with 4.7 ratings. So I'm going to install it. Just tap on get option, and it will start it installing. So you just have to wait for this until it's installed. So after installation, you just have to simply open this app, and here just allow the app to track, or if you don't want, just let ask app not to track. And here you can see different features. You can see that depth effect wallpapers, and there's live wallpapers, and also AI wallpapers. You can generate your own wallpaper using AI. And here's some dynamic islands. So I'm going to select this next option. And here you can get premium version if you want. If you don't want, just tap on this cross option in the top right. And then you just have to open the gift, but I'm going to skip it here. And just select the wallpaper which you want to set. So let's see, there are some live wallpapers and some 3D special wallpapers, and there are some type wallpapers. So for example, I'm going to select this one here. Just tap on this download option, and here just select the quality in which quality you want to download. Here's the regular quality, HD quality, and also save without ads. I'm going to select HD quality from here. So it might be that you must have to see an ad. So just wait for the ad here. So once the ad has been completed, you just have to try to skip this ad. So after skipping the ad, you'll get rewarded with your wallpaper which you try to download here. Just tap on this allow option, then tap on allow again, and here your wallpaper has been downloaded, and you can see that it has been saved to photos. Open your photos app and just look for the wallpaper which you have just downloaded, then tap on the share option, tap on use as wallpaper, and here you just have to enable this option. So once I've enabled it, you can see that it has been a special wallpaper. So now tap on this add option here. So select set as wallpaper pair, or you can also customize your home scene, but I'm going to select set as wallpaper pair. So once you have selected, your wallpaper has been successfully set. So this wallpaper has some special effects, so whenever you try to move your iPhone, it will also move. Or you can also select live wallpapers from that app. So in this way you can easily get free moving live wallpapers on your iPhone or any iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.